It is a common misconception that virtual reality isolates us from one another and the world. So Studio Vrij, Zalan and Immensiva joined forces to prove otherwise. The result is an extraordinary shared experience that blurs the lines between reality and VR, exploring a virtual connection between two strangers who are in reality separated by 1,000 miles. We want to research if it is possible to experience a deep connection and release the love hormone oxytocin between two strangers in VR.
Oxitocina Machina is a hybrid VR installation that connects two inflatable cocoons at different locations through virtual reality. One in Barcelona and one in Rotterdam. The cocoons serve as a safe space, separating the user from reality and becoming a portal to the virtual world. Players take their shoes off as part of a ritual. They will feel a comfortable material on their feet when entering the cocoon. When entering the virtual reality, slowly participants realize their body is becoming part of the digital space. Their hands start fading in, and they realize that they're not alone. A virtual guide in the shape of a mysterious particle system will inspire and lead the two participants toward connection. This virtual guide is in reality a real human, playing a live role in the VR experience. The guide will only be present during the beginning and the end of the experience so that the players can focus on each other.
Steen, bier, schuim.
The experience starts in a playful way, where the participants use the interactions and their bodies to connect. On the floor of the cocoon lie stones that will ask the players a question when they touch them. Sharing memories and feelings has been proven to create connection and oxytocin.
From the user testing the past week, we learned that the size of the cocoon needs to be increased to give players more space to interact. We also decided to let the guide leave in the middle of the experience, so that two players can focus more on each other. The next step is to connect more than two cocoons and figure out how to create connections and release oxytocin with a big group of people.